Chandrस्य Gananjana Salakaya Chakshurmritam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namo Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhika Vitadalai Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadabhaktaya Namo Namo Vande Guru Padadandang Bhakta Vrinda Samannitam Sri Chaitanyang Prabhung Vande Nityananda Sahoditam Nandananang Vande Radhika Charanodayam Gopinang Samajuktanang Vrindavana Manoharam Tavaivasmi Najivami Taya Vina Iti Viggaya Te Radhe Tanganayami Charananti Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So I translated today.
Necesita traducción el Prabhu, ¿tú conectas? No, Prabhu, si tienes para acá para atrás y la diría luego vas a usar como traducción
What is it?
No, I can translate after someone else can comment and I can also.
Huh?
No, I can translate here for them.
So first of all, for my humble, respectful obeisances, Lotus feet of Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satsrimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satsrimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So continue, we discuss about the life history of Advaita Acharya and his contribution. Advaita Acharya is the very near and dear to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In the morning I told. So there are so many pastimes in life history of Advaita Acharya. And time is over, so I will not take too much your time. Just few words I will glorify about Advaita Acharya. Advaita Acharya, when his father left body, then Advaita Acharya, he also performed his father ritual fire ceremony. That is called Shraddha ceremony, no? According to Indian Vedic culture, father, mother of any your elder person left body, then you have to perform the Shraddha karma, ritual of fire ceremony. So Advaita Acharya, that time he also invited many Brahmanas to participate in his father ritual ceremony, and great Brahmanas also they came. And especially in Bengal, high class Brahman, that is called Chatterjee, Banerjee, Mukhopadhyay, Gangopadhyay, many kinds of Brahmanas. As like UP, there are many Brahmanas, there are Divedi, Trivedi, Chaturvedi Brahmanas. You heard our Gurudev, beloved Srila Gurudev, he was in Trivedi Brahman. So for this regard, we call him Tiwari ji. What do you call? Tiwari money. Actually, he is called the Trivedi Brahmana. Trivedi means one who knows three Vedas. They are called Trivedi Brahman. One who knows four Vedas, they are called Chaturvedi Brahmanas. One who knows only two Vedas, they are called Divedi Brahmana. In the same way, Bengal, many kinds of Brahman also there. And Chatterjee, Banerjee, Mukhopadhyay, Gangopadhyay, Mishra also high class Brahmanas. I like that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He was born in Mishra family. And his father's name was Jagannath Mishra. Mishra family, Brahman. So Advaita Acharya, he also gave so much invitation to the Brahmanas to participate his father ritual and by sacrifice the ceremony, Shraddha. All the high class Brahmanas, they came and participate Advaita Acharya's father's ritual ceremony. And also Advaita Acharya, he also called Haridas Thakur. And Mahaprabhu's very near and dearest person, Haridas Thakur. Mahaprabhu gave his title, Namacharya Haridas Thakur. What is his name? Namacharya. Not only Namacharya, everybody called also Brahma Haridas. What is called? Brahma Haridas. Though he was born in Mohammedan family, Muslim family, but Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave him this title, Brahma Haridas or Namacharya Haridas. Because Haridas Thakur, every day he chanted 3 lakhs holy names. 300,000 holy names every day he chanted. 1 lakh holy names Haridas Thakur chanted loudly. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare. Or another 1 lakh holy names Haridas Thakur chanted, that is Upangshu japa. Upangshu japa means just moving his lips and chanting holy names and listening himself. That is called Upangshu japa. And Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Or another lakh holy names Haridas Thakur he chanted, that is called Manas Smarana, Manasik japa. What is called? Manasik japa. In his mind he chanted. His lips not moving, just chanting holy name. And in this way. Every day Haridas Thakur he chanted 3 lakhs holy names. This. For this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave him this title, Namacharya. Who is higher? One who chanted holy names. And Kiva Vipura Kivanasi Sudra Kene Noi Jai Krishna Tattvavitta Say Guru Hai. One who chants holy names and knows about Nam, holy names, he is called Brahmana also. Eh? So for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave him this title, Brahma Haridas. Eh? That means he knows the name of Nam Brahma. Eh? Holy names. And one who chants holy names, he is beyond of all caste, race and other things also. Eh? Haridas Thakur. Why I am glorify the Nam Mahima? Haridas Thakur, actually he is called Brahmaji. And in Krishna Lila, he stole Krishna's cups and his covered boys. Then Brahmaji finally realized that Krishna he is not an ordinary covered boy. And then Brahmaji he also asked his forgiveness. And then Krishna told, don't you do this again. And then Brahmaji asked to Krishna, how can you serve your lotus feet? That time Krishna told, in Kali Yuga, I will appear in the form of Sachinandana Gaurhari. So you can participate my Nama Sankirtan. Yeah? And you have to assist my preaching Nam Sankirtan. So Brahmaji, he came in Navadvip Dham, Mayapur, and performed hard austerities. Then Krishna very pleased with him. And Krishna and showed his own Chaitanya form. And also told Brahma, you also help my preaching Nam Sankirtan. Then Brahmaji very humble, he prayed to Krishna, I will not take birth in high class family. You give me low class family. So I will become very humble and chant holy names. For this regard, same Brahma, four-head is Brahma. Now he appeared in the form of Haridas Thakur, and he was born in Muslim family, Mohammedan family. He did not chant any other's name. Mahamantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And Muslim they told, why you are chanting Hindu's name, Hindu's Lord's name? Haridas Thakur Lord not belongs to Hindu, Muslim, Christian. Lord is beyond of caste and race. And I want to chant these holy names. Then Muslim, they also bitterly beat him. They beat him in 22 markets also. But Haridas Thakur told, Khanda Khanda hai jadi diha pran, tathapi vaddha vadanin achari harinam. Haridas Thakur he told, if my body cut in pieces, I will not give up chanting holy names. Namnistha. How Haridas Thakur, he has so much faith with his holy names, Namnistha. Because Haridas Thakur realized in this Kali Yuga, there are no any other process to attain to abode of Lord. Kali Kale Nam Bina Nahi Ar Dharma, Sarva Shastrer ei Sar Marma. The essence of all Ved, Puran, Upanishad, that is called holy names. Aho vata sopachate gariyan jad jihagre vartate namatubhyam. Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. One who chants holy names, Hare Krishna Mahamantra, he is higher than Sama Vedi Brahmana. So the Aho vata sopachate gariyan. Sapach means those who are eating the and meat of the dog eaters. Even they chant holy names, they will be higher than Samvedi Brahmana. Just to chant it. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And just one chant. Sakrudev Opi Griyate Shraddhaya Hilaya E Baba. Nam Mahima, the glories of holy name. With faith, without faith, anyhow, if we chant holy names, all will be also delivered from this ocean, this Maya. So saying, Aho Bato Sapachato Guriyan Jad Jihagre Bhartate Nama Tubbam. Look this. That means one who chants holy names, he took birth to everywhere. He taking birth where? Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati, Kaveri, Narmada, all the holy rivers. Like this. Once we just chant holy name. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare. That means you took birth where? All the holy rivers, holy places. Nam mind. So saying this. So now, because there are no different holy names and Sri Hari. Nama Nami Avinnatvat. Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Purna Suddha Nitya Mukta Avinnatvat Nama Nami. Avinnatvat Nama Nami. There are no difference holy names and Sri Hari. One who chanting holy names means direct he meeting with Sri Hari. And even in Kali Yuga also explains, Hari se bada Hari ka naam. Means holy names is higher than Sri Hari. Understand? Hari se bada Hari ka naam. Nam Mahima. So I am saying because Haridas Thakur, and his name is called Brahma Haridas. What is called? Brahma Haridas. Because only he chanted Nam Brahma. So everybody called him Brahma Haridas. So now coming in this Advaita Acharya's, his father, ritual ceremony, Sraddha Karma. Haridas, so Advaita Acharya, he invited to him. Haridas Thakur very humble, he came, but Haridas Thakur, he was sitting very back, very far, maybe outside of the door. All the Brahmanas, they are sitting and very front, and very nice, beautiful ceremony was going on, and fire sacrifice, swaha, swaha, Brahmanas, they are doing swaha, 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 offering ghee, and these things, swaha, swaha. But Haridas Thakur very humble. Haridas Thakur is thinking, oh, I am low caste, so I will not go inside. So Haridas Thakur, he was sitting outside, very humble, and only chanting, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So after ritual fire sacrifice, then Advaita Acharya, he offered the plate prasadam to Thakurji, and that according to the rules that the first plate will give to whom? Understand? The prasad offering to Lord Vishnu, according to Vedic culture, what will cook, offer to Lord Vishnu. Then that Vishnu Mahaprasad, that plate, offer to whom? Who is the topmost person, most important and honorable guest. Understand? These are things. Advaita Acharya, he took that the first plate of ritual fire ceremony, that the Vishnu Prasad, and Advaita Acharya, he offered to Haridas Thakur, who was sitting very far and outside of the door. Then all the Brahmanas, they become very angry. Understand? They are very proud, or we are topmost Brahmanas, Upadhyay, Chattopadhyay, what is that? High class Brahmanas. Banerjee, Chatterjee, Upadhyay, many Dhai, they are things. Or Advaita Acharya, he did not offer this first plate to us, he offered this Mahavada Muslim Haridas Thakur. It's untouchable. Abhavit. Then all the Brahmanas, they become very angry. They did not take prasad. They left. Become very angry. Then Advaita Haridas Thakur, very humble, he told to Advaita Acharya, Prabhu, why did you give me this first plate of your father ritual ceremony to me? Then Advaita Acharya told, hey Haridas, don't worry. Let him to go to the Brahmanas. But if you eat my father first plate of ritual ceremony, that means I am feeding thousand, millions Brahmanas. कोटि तुम्हें खाइले कोटि ब्राह्मण सेवा है. Advaita Acharya is saying, hey Haridas Thakur, if you take this prasad, honor this prasad, that means I honor not only one Brahmana, not 10, 15 Brahmanas, not 20 Brahmanas. I honor how many? Millions Brahmanas. Because you are a real Brahman. Who is real Brahman? One who chants holy names. One who knows the name of holy names. Nam Brahma. And Jarmana Jayate Sudra Sanskar Dijochate Virat Pathe Bhavet Vipra Brahma Janati Iti Sa Brahmana. And Jarmana Jayate Sudra. One who takes birth from the womb of mother, he is called Sudra. Sudra means Shukra Janma. And our body is coming from the semen of our mother and father. So that Janma birth is called Shukra Janma, semen birth. Understand? Jarmanasya Jayate Sudra. Sachanaditi Sudra, one who is always lamented. Understand? Crying, this is not, this is mine, this is yours, and crying. Tamasic good. Tamasic, understand? He is called Sudra. Jamana Jayate Sudra. Sanskara Dijuchate. Dija means second birth. Our second birth is coming, and when you receive Gayatri Mantra from Guru, that is called second birth. Jamana Jayate Sudra. Sanskara Dijuchate. Or third birth, one who received Diksha Mantra from Guru, that is called Tritiya Janma. One is called Shukra Janma, one is called Savitri Janma, one is called Diksha Janma, Daksha Janma. Remember, three. Savitri. Savitri means taking the Gayatri Mantra. Brahman boy, when he is 5 years old or 7 years old, and that time giving the Savitri Mantra. Savitri means Gayatri Mantra. This is the rules of the Brahman family. Bhurvasa, this mantra, that's Martha. So Janmana Jayate Sudra Sanskar Diyat. So now we get our first birth, that is from our parents, that is called Shukra Janma. Second birth, that is called Savitri Janma. When you receive Savitri Mantra, that means Gayatri Mantra from Guru. Gayatri Mantra is there. Or another is called, third, that is called Daksha Janma. Daksha means Diksha. And when you receive Gopal Mantra, Kam Gayatri Mantra, Guru Mantra, Guru Gayatri Mantra, Guru Mantra, Guru Gayatri Mantra, Gaur Mantra, Gaur Gayatri, Gopal Mantra, then Kam Gayatri, Panchatattva, then Maha Mantra. That is called Diksha Mantra. दीक्षा मंत्र, दीक्षा में दिव्य ज्ञानं जतो दद्दात कुर्जात पाप संस्खायते. दिव्य ज्ञान, transcendental knowledge will come. I am not this body, I am the eternal servant of Krishna. So Diksha, the two syllables. Di means Divya Gyan, transcendental knowledge will come. Cha means slowly all your sin, pap will be destroyed from your heart. But this Diksha is not one day finish. And step by step. So two kinds of Diksha. One is called Anushtanik Diksha. Or another is called Paramarthiki Diksha, spiritual initiation. Formality, when you come in front of Guru, Anushtanik, and then Gurudev gave you mantra, okay, and offering some fruits, flowers, dakshin, don't you say? Okay. 5 minutes, then your Diksha finish. That is called Anushtanik Diksha. Anushtanik means formality. Yeah? Formality. Anushtanik Diksha. This is also need. Or Paramarthik Diksha, step by step. Listen Hari Katha, then Shraddha will come, faith, Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Vritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav. And when you come in the stage of Bhavadasa, then your Diksha will be complete. Understand? This is the process, step by step. And Diksha is then spiritual, what is called Paramarthik Diksha, not one day finish. Step by step. Shraddha, faith, and listen Hari Katha, then your faith will come, Shraddha will come. Then sadhu sangha, bhajana kriya, anartha nritti, nishtha, ruchi, asakti, rati, bhav. When sadhu will come in the stage of bhav dasa, then his diksha will be complete. Not so easy. Without listening Hari Katha, how possible heart will be neat and clean? So always Shastra is saying, Adu Hari Katha Sravanam, Guru Mukhad Hari Katha Sravanam. Because Hari Katha is very powerful. Only Hari Katha purified your heart. Sinnatang Sakatha Krishna, Punna Sravana Kirtan, Hriddanto Javadani Vidunutu Swedi Satang, Nashta Prayesu Avadresu Nittang Bhagavata Sevaya. Sinnatang Hari Katha, listen means what? See Hari himself, Krishna himself, enter in your ears and coming in your heart and clean. Without listening Hari Katha, your heart will be not clean. Understand? This is the process. Any dust or mud coming in your body, what you will do? You wash with the water, clean with the water, taking one soap. Or if your heart contaminated with the lust, anger, enviousness, how you will clean? Pada. Only Hari Katha. Tan mein mail lage to dhoye jal se, aur man mein mail lage to dhoye kaise. Brajavasi is singing this song. Tan mein mail lage, tan means your body contaminated with the mud or dust. So what you will do? You clean with the water. Then your body will clean. But your mind, heart contaminated with lust, anger, enviousness, how will clean? Well, only Harinam, Hari Katha, chanting holy names and Hari Katha. Ram nam ke sabun se then dhoye. Holy Nam. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. All our scriptures explain this way. Without listening Hari Katha, your heart will never neat and clean. So now coming in this way, so Diksha means is not one day finish. Formality Diksha 1 second, 5 minutes. But Paramarthik Diksha take time. Listen Hari Katha, Shraddha, again Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, then Rati and Bhav. When sadhak will come in the stage of Bhavadasa, then his Diksha will be complete. After Bhav, then Prem Dasa will come. So now coming in this way, Janmana Jayate Sudra Sanskar Dvij Uchyate Vedat Pathe Bhaved Vipra. One who qualified to read Veda is called Vipra. Vedat Pathe Bhaved Vipra. Or Brahma Janati Saiti Brahmana. One who knows Nam Brahma is called Brahmana. One who chants holy names, he is called Brahmana. Brahmanang Sasrivo Satyajati Vishisase Satyajati Sasrivo Satya Sarvedanta Vidkotta. Shastra giving evidence. So now coming in this way, Advaita Acharya told to Haridas Thakur, Haridas, you are real Brahmana. Why? Because you know Nam Brahma. Because when anyone who will take birth from the womb, this is called Sudra. Janmana Jate Sudra. Sanskar Dvij Uchyate. Vedat Pathe Bhaved Vipra. Or Brahma Janati Jasati Brahmana. Yeah, Brahma means Nam Brahma. Name Ruchi. If you have taste with chanting holy names, then automatically your realization will come. Self-realization is the best realization. Nam Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So now coming this way, Haridas Thakur in this way proved how is powerful holy name. And Advaita Acharya established one who chants holy names is called a real Brahmana. So Advaita Acharya told Haridas, Tumi bhojan koile koti Brahman bhojan. And if you take prasad in my father ritual ceremony, then I feed millions Brahmanas. Other Brahmanas they left. Chattarji, Bandhopadhyay, Gangopadhyay, Mishra, all Brahmanas they ran away because they become very angry. Because they are thinking, Advaita Acharya, he insult to us. But that Brahman did not take prasad, they returned back their home. But some miracle happened. All Brahmanas, they are so much diarrhea. Diarrhea, understand? Passing, stooling so much. And completely about to die. They did not eat in the house of Advaita Acharya. But when they returned back their home, then they are about to die. Understand? Chaitanya Bhagavat explained this way. Then they are about to die. There the Brahmanas, their relative gave message to Advaita Acharya. Then Advaita Acharya told, you criticize to Haridas Thakur. For this regard, you are suffering. You have to die. That time Brahmanas, they apologized. And they came in front of Advaita Acharya. Then Advaita Acharya said, everybody have to take remnants of Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur Mahaprabhu.